Yo, 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 what's happening? Today I'm going to pick up my iPhone. What are you doing here? Yo. iPhone's better than the Samsung. Samsung's the best. Just because we pay more doesn't mean
iPhone
it's
have basically
rubbish.
copied Samsung.
The OS is better.
There's no point in me staying here.
Oh, you don't know what you're talking about, mate.
Laters. Samsung.
Anyway, I'm going to go get my iPhone and we'll do the unboxing when I get back. Laters. What is it? What is it? It's the iPhone X or 10 or whatever they call it. Let's see what's in the box. Open it up. As you can see, you get the documentation. No one cares about that. We get the phone. So there's the phone, and then we get the charge brick, the normal stuff like you get in every other phone. You don't get the quick charge, which you do get in the Samsung, just saying. Anyway, let's turn this bad boy on. Where's the power button? Is it this one? Hello! Look at the screen. Oh, the screen does look nice though. Anyway, let me set it up and see what it's like. Bye! When I said there wasn't, who cares about what's inside the packaging, it's got all of the tips of how to use it because we haven't got a home button anymore. And we've already got Face ID. Let's see how Face ID is with my glasses face. Okay. Oh, move your head. Move your head slowly. Look, shows you how to use the home screen because you haven't got a home button. Or get back to the home screen rather. Switch between apps. Swipe up from the bottom. Pause. That's a bit of an Android thing there, I guess. Swipe down from the top. Welcome to your iPhone. Woo! So I've set up my phone. Everything seems to be working quite smoothly. The Face ID is working, no problems every time so far. I've done it about 3 or 4 times. Screen looks really good. Anyway, I'll do a full review in a week or so when I've used it for a while. Let me know in the comments if there's anything particular you want to see or want to know about. I will do a review also about the video quality compared to the Samsung S8 Plus. But anyway, cheers people, peace!